Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to check phone number on Google account, the personal information on OPPO mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. So now you have to move on setting. Okay, so here is the setting, just click on it. After you have been moved on setting, here just click on the search option and search for the phone number. Okay, search here the number phone number. Google account personal information is the second option. Just click on the second option. When you move on it, if you want to check from this any Gmail, okay, Google account, any ID you want to check, just select from here any ID. Suppose I select this one. Now I want to check the phone number of that, okay, this Google account. So right now you have to wait for a moment. See, this is my phone number and it has been verified. You can check it like that, okay. So if you want to check more information, you can check it which device has been connected to verification for on your mobile phone. So these are the devices that has been connected on my mobile phone, okay, and this is the OPPO, okay. So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Friends, thanks for watching.